Let me tell you the truth no one wants to admit. Life is going to hurt your fucking soul. It's going to test you, betray you, beat the living shit out of you when you least expect it. And when that moment comes, most people fold. But a rare few, they rise. They don't rise because they're fearless. They rise because they trained for this moment. And by the time this video ends, you'll know exactly how to become one of those people, the kind that bends but never breaks. This video is broken into 7 brutally honest parts, each one building on the last. Let's dive in. Part 1. The wake-up call no one wants. Mike and Jason both got laid off the same week. Mike had just bought a house, just had a newborn. Life finally felt secure, like he could finally exhale. Then, out of nowhere, boom. Job gone. What followed wasn't pretty. Mike spiraled, fell into depression, started drinking, blamed the economy, his boss, the market, everyone but himself. He vanished into his own head. Months passed. No progress. Just pain. Now here's where it gets interesting. When Jason got laid off, his response? Completely different. The day after it happened, he said, "Fuck it. I've been soft too long." He started waking up at 5 a.m., applied to 50 jobs in a day, picked up side gigs to keep things moving, started running again, eating clean, sharpening his mind. 6 months later, new job, higher pay, better shape, clearer mind. Not just recovered, he transformed. Same event, 2 people, 2 totally different outcomes. And that's when it hit me. The line between breakdown and breakthrough isn't what happens to you. It's how mentally strong you are when it does. Part 2. The first rule of mental strength. Stop thinking life owes you comfort. Seriously, most people walk around acting like struggle is some glitch in the system. It's not. It is the system. Mentally strong people, they don't see adversity as a problem. They see it as a fucking training ground. Every rejection, every setback, every painful moment, it's not the universe trying to screw you. It's the gym for your soul. So the next time life punches you in the face, don't cry, don't complain. Say, "Cool. Let's go another round." Part 3. The habits that build. Unbreakable minds. Let's get practical. Mental strength isn't built from watching videos or reading books. It's built from what you do daily. Here are 5 habits that will sharpen your mind like a damn blade. Cold showers. You start your day doing something uncomfortable. Everything else feels easier. Daily silence. 10 minutes. No music, no scrolling, just you and your thoughts. If you can't sit alone with your own mind, your mind owns you. Train like you mean it. Strength in the body builds strength in the brain. Discipline in one area spills into everything. One hard thing per day. Speak up. Run when you're tired. Skip the sugar. Small daily wars build big mental wins. No negotiation with the inner bitch. That voice that says, "Just skip today. It's not that important. You deserve to relax." Kill it every time. And hey, if you're serious about becoming the strongest version of yourself, hit subscribe right now. We don't do fluff here. We do real, raw growth. Join the movement. Part 4. The 3 mindset. Traps that keep you weak. Mental strength isn't just about adding good habits. It's about ruthlessly cutting out weak-ass thinking. Here are 3 traps that will quietly destroy your progress. First, victim mode. Shit happens, but living in blame keeps you powerless. Replace "why me" with "what now?" Second, perfectionism. Perfection is fear wearing a fancy mask. Ship the thing. Launch the project. Show up messy. 3. Waiting to feel ready. Newsflash. You're never going to feel ready. Jump anyway. Confidence comes after action, not before. Part 5. The moment that changes everything. I was broke, living in a shitty apartment, no plan, feeling like a loser. One day, I was supposed to meet a friend for a coffee. I canceled last minute, said I was sick. Truth is, I just didn't want to face the world. That night, I looked in the mirror and said out loud, "You're lying to everyone, including yourself." That sentence hit like a fucking truck. I realized if I didn't change, no one was coming to save me. So I did something simple. I started keeping tiny promises to myself. Wake up when the alarm rings. 1 workout a day. No phone until 10 a.m. That was it. And slowly, I started to trust myself again. Because here's the real secret. Self-trust is the foundation of mental strength. Part 6. Emotional mastery. Especially when you want to explode. You ever feel like one dumb comment could make you snap? Mental strength means emotional discipline, not emotional suppression. Here's the 5-second rule I use. When you're triggered, stop. Count to 5. Breathe. That pause? It's the gap where self-control lives. Reacting is easy. Responding is strength. And don't get it twisted, you're not weak for feeling. You're powerful when you feel and still choose your behavior. Part 7. Discipline beats motivation. Every fucking time. Let's end this with a truth most people avoid. Motivation is bullshit. It's fun, sure, but it's inconsistent. You know what wins? Discipline. Showing up when you're tired, working when you're uninspired, doing it especially when you don't want to. That's what makes you unstoppable. Every time you do the hard thing, not because it feels good, but because it's who you are, you build identity. And when your identity becomes, "I don't quit," I show up no matter what. That's when you've won. Look, you don't need to fix your whole life tonight, but you do need to start. Because the longer you wait, the louder the excuses get, the weaker your confidence becomes, and the harder it is to face yourself. So ask yourself this right now. Do you want to stay soft, scared, and stuck forever? Or do you want to look back 1 year from now and not even recognize the savage you've become? The choice is yours. If this video shook something loose in you, share it. Someone else needs this. And if you're ready to keep leveling up your mind, your habits, and your life, hit subscribe. Because next, we're diving into the unexpected power of embracing discomfort. See you there. Stay hard.